गोरी है रसिया आज भी रज में गोरी है रसिया केसरी रंग जग जोरी है रसिया
Yes, your smiles are still there and you're all even sitting there for 1.5 hours. You're still very, very enthusiastic. So first of all, let me convey my heartfelt thanks to Roots, who made this possible. You know, children, this Roots program has been going on in all the Kendriya Vidyalayas for many years now. And every time we get an artist, we get one of the best artists in India. They come all the way here and they perform in front of you. And you, as sir has already told, we know that the basic idea is the deep rootedness into our culture, right? We are in one part of Telangana, a small town. Maybe people have not heard about this place, but still, we have people from Delhi, from Jabalpur coming here and presenting art forms. And today we had this Kathak performance by Mr. Akhilesh Patel. अखिलेश पटेल जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारा स्कूल की तरफ से because this was a wonderful program. Morning I was a little apprehensive because our mic system was not working. Usually I boast about wonderful mic system, but today morning it wasn't working properly. I was a little worried about it, but Akhilesh ji bola, it's not a problem. And then he made it possible. He said, I don't need a mic, and he spoke well. And he made it so, interactive and child-friendly that every child, we were doubtful whether we should have class 1 here. But I've seen from class 1 to class 12, every child who participated has given their level best, means that they enjoyed the program. And again, a special thanks to Aditya Agarwal ji, who was on tabla. And music, dance without music and music without dance, we cannot think, right? And sir has been quite, the accompanist that we all wish for. Because as soon as sir starts with a step, then you start with the music. And it has been a wonderful performance, something that our children in Nalgonda don't get quite often. They are not exposed to music or dance, and especially from people like you who have come all the way to tell them about the nuances of the Kathak was indeed a great experience, and I thoroughly enjoyed. I have quite a lot of work, but I didn't feel like getting up and going away. I was so engrossed. Your facial expressions, your moves, everything was wonderful, sir. And on behalf of all the students, teachers of this Vidyalaya, I extend a heartfelt thanks to all of you, and especially to Shivam Chauhan ji, who has made it possible. Roots coordinator, who has come along with him and who has made this possible. Thanks a lot to all of you.